07 Phillips and his badass S10. Kevin is now a new member of Team TCI, running a torque arm on that thing. So Kevin, this is Kevin. Tell us about this truck.
So it's a 5.3 cammed with a T56 from Tick Performance, Ford 9-inch.
Like an LM7 5.3 or is it all aluminum?
It's an LM4, so it's an all aluminum version.
All aluminum.
LM7. 243 heads, TBS intake.
And you have dynoed it, or?
It made 380 wheel horse and 360 torque.
That's pretty good for a 5.3.
Yeah.
I've wondered about that.
It runs, for what it is, it runs really well. It works good.
Yeah, it's got dependability.
Yeah.
Let's see some of these flare fender you got back here.
The mid's flared 3 inches per side.
3 inches. Wow.
3 inches.
So now you've got 335 in the back.
Correct. And a
And what do you?
315
315 up front. Wheels look cool.
Yeah. The Weld S71s in 11.5.
No frills interior.
No, stock interior minus the seats.
Cool.
C6 brakes, C6 Z06 front brakes, and then just I have the matching rears that I'm going to put on there. But I haven't done it yet.
What? Now you're from Oregon?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm Florence, Oregon, which is like the central coast.
What kind of autocross events do you do up there?
I do a lot of the local stuff. Portland has a Oregon region SCCA that I don't think I got to run with them last year, but there are some closer groups that I run with, but it's nothing on this level.
So you run Cam T when you run SCCA?
Yeah.
Or, yeah. So what does this weigh?
It weighs right at 3,000 pounds right now as it sits.
Okay, so do you have to add 50 pounds or it's good enough?
Well, yeah, they raised the weight limit up.
I don't remember. Well, maybe it is only 3,000. I don't know. So for Optima though, you run GTV and you got to ballast up?
Actually, being that it's a 91, they won't let me run GTV.
It's a 91. Okay.
So it's the same body style.
Right.
But they were hung up on the year, and so I was gonna add ballast and run GT, but my ballast wasn't up to tech, so I ran a GTL.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Future plans are gonna put a cage in it and get it up to 3,200 pounds so I can run GT.
Okay. All right.
That's
cool, dude.
But Kevin, congratulations. Right there, man. That's great running. Welcome to the Truck Pro class.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the first ever episode of In the Paddock. We're also considering Behind the Build. If you guys got a cool name that you think we should name this, please let me know. But we're going to be making these videos in the future. Every time we're at an event, we see a cool build, cool car getting thrashed, getting used out on track. We're going to try and capture videos like these. So if you also know of any other cars that we should be getting, especially if they go to any of the West Coast SCCA National Autocross events, Optima's Ultimate Street Car, NMCA Autocross, those types of events, mostly on the West Coast because that's where I am, then hit me up. If you know of somebody, or if you're watching this, want your car to be featured on Autocross and Track, then let me know. Please like, subscribe, comment on these videos. It helps a lot. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap.